Pochettes, are you ready to dive headfirst into the world of event draping? In this video, I'm going to give you the lowdown on why now is the perfect time to really kickstart your own draping business, right? From attracting high-paying clients to mastering your essential skills, we've got you covered. So I want you to stay tuned to discover the 5 game-changing reasons that will set you on the path to starting your draping business and having success at it, right? Now this week we'll focus on actually how to start a 6-figure event draping business. So if you're new to the channel, guys, I'm Precious Stevens of the Posh Academy, who they call the Draping Queen, because I believe that creatives such as yourself deserve more money, and my goal is to help you get it. So go on and tell me who we have in the building. I want you to drop your name and your city down in the comments below so that I can get to know you guys a little better, right? I want to get acquainted with you guys. I really love getting to know more about you and then seeing your name light up and I can shout you out, right? All right, guys, so let's jump in. Are you ready? I want you to drop a ready down in the comments because engagement really motivates me, right? Even if you're catching this on a replay. And while you're at it, grab your notepad, baby, because by the end of this episode, you're going to be so fired up to finally take your draping business serious. It's time to really kill being curious, okay? All right, so let's jump into reason number 1. Guys, the high demand in the market. The draping industry is booming right now. We haven't even peaked yet, right? With celebrations happening worldwide, the demand for premium draping is through the roof. This is your chance to really ride the wave, guys, and make a mark. By stepping into this thriving market, you're really positioning yourself to meet this demand head on and really create a lucrative venture. Now, for those of you that's thinking that it's too late, wake up and get in the game. All right, guys, now let's go to number 2. Reason number 2 is the profit margins. Guys, in the event draping industry, the potential for profitability is substantial. With the right strategies and quality offerings, you can really watch your revenue go through the roof. This business isn't just about passion. It's about really turning your passion into a thriving income stream. Now, once you learn how to drape premium, how to price for profit, and then how to attract those who want it with no problem paying your premium price, baby, you in the money. Get ready to see those numbers climb, baby. I'm trying to tell you. Now, guys, we're going to go to reason number 3, and that is mastering your craft. One of the most exciting aspects of starting your own draping business is the opportunity to master your craft. Our tutorials and our hands-on workshops, they provide you with the skills and the knowledge that you need to excel. You'll learn the latest techniques, stay ahead of the trends, and create draping designs that leave a lasting impression, guys. It's not just a business, it's a journey of continued growth, right? And also skill refinement. So even if you don't have the money to invest in our 2024 draping tour, simply join the membership. That way you can learn some techniques, and that's better than nothing, right? You can sign up today and flip your game tomorrow. The link is in the description. And that leads us to number 4, right? Which is attracting high-paying clients. You need proven strategies to really market your business effectively and position yourself as the go-to draping expert. From personalized consultations to showcasing your portfolio, we've got insider tips you need to really draw in the clients who understand and really value your expertise. Now, here's where it gets really exciting, y'all. I don't know about y'all, but reason number 5 is the potential for global expansion. Baby, we are rooted in Atlanta, right? But the beauty of this business is worldwide appeal. Our goal is really to help you achieve the global brand presence also, because it's possible. Imagine your draping creations wowing audiences all around the world, right? It's not just a business, guys, it's a movement, and you're at the forefront of it. So stop playing. Ask yourself. Matter of fact, tell yourself, right? Because only you know the answer. You already know what you got to do. 1, ask yourself the what. What do I need to get to that next level? I need y'all to write that down. Write that down. Then follow that up with the who. Who has the capacity to help me get there, right? Then the when. When am I going to start? And I want you guys to be honest. Don't sit here and blow a bunch of smoke like, oh yeah, you all fired up, like I'm going to start now, and then don't put anything behind it. you're not doing anything but hurting your business, you're hurting your brand, and you're lying to yourself, right? Now, when I say start, when you're going to start, it doesn't have to be, hey, I'm going to take $5,000 and invest into this business and start it. No, you can start really, really small. The whole point is making some kind of traction and some kind of movement that's not doing exactly what you're doing today, right? If it's not growing, it's dead. When are you going to do that? The correct answer, guys, should be now. Like right now. Okay? All right, guys. So there you have it, tribe. That's 5 compelling reasons why now is the time to launch your event draping business. Guys, if this video has inspired you in any kind of way, I need you to hit that like button, right? Don't forget to subscribe for more game-changing insights, because you know I bring the pain. Remember, your journey draping success really starts right here, right now. And if you're really ready to turn your dreams into reality and be your own boss, and I mean big boss, then it's time to get started. You can get started by simply enrolling in our membership, guys. Your journey to draping greatness starts with a single click, right? That's why you can join me every Wednesday live for our exclusive mentoring sessions. And this is where I take you to the next level, right? Simply hit the join button below this video or grab the link that's down in the description. I want to thank you guys for tuning in with me today. I need you to do me a favor though. Why? Because somebody needs to hear this message. I need you to help me make a bigger impact by simply sharing this video, right? Your fellow event drapers, event stylists, event enthusiasts, they're going to thank you for it, right? And hey, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the big energy broadcasts I'm bringing, right? Until next time, keep draping with passion and purpose, guys, because anything's possible. This Precious Stevens signing off. See you next time.